Here is the demo setup. We already have a normal change ticket in GitHub. Move the launch rehearsal to June 22nd. We also have the launch milestone in GitHub, a calendar in Outlook, a freeze window stored in SharePoint, and governance policies behind the agent. Some contract and test facts come from simple connectors using the same adapter interface as live systems. So the ticket is the record, but the safety evidence is spread across systems. Now we ask the AI change code agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. We start with a question, not an action. Nothing changes. No approval starts. The agent checks the connected resources and returns high risk. June 22nd looks open on the calendar, but the broader context says it is not safe. It is after the contract cutoff, during the release freeze window, and too close to customer go live. So the agent marks the date unsafe, shows the policy reason, and proposes other day. The same evidence is written back to the ticket automatically. The command says analysis only, nothing executed. It includes the risk, the evidence, the safer date, and the people this decision will concern. Now we open the full trial. Each fact is tagged with where it came from: GitHub, Outlook, Planner, Teams, and SharePoint. The important role is derived. That is where the agent combines the contract cutoff, the release freeze window, and the go-live buffer into one clear risk. No single screen shows the whole risk, but together, the evidence makes the original date unsafe, and the risk points back to policy, not just an AI opinion. Now we act on the analysis. Since the first round was read-only, the agent opens a fresh actionable request and sends the approver sees the same evidence, the same policy reason, and the safer date. For this unsafe request, they are not asked to approve the risky date. They can accept the safer date, ask for a revision, or reject it. The requester cannot approve their own request. The approver accepts June 14. The run resumes from a saved checkpoint and now shows live run. The reviewed plan runs step by step. Each step turns to applied with a link to the resource it changed. Here is the GitHub milestone actually moved. The calendar event is updated too, and the decision is posted back to the same ticket. Everything ends in an append-only audit record. The request, the evidence, the policy reason, and the decision, the result, and recovery hints. Under the hood, AI change code runs through Microsoft 365 Copilot and Teams over MCP with OAuth 2, backed by FastAPI, LangGraph, Microsoft Graph, GitHub, and a governance knowledge base. Copilot is the entry point. Teams is the decision surface. The ticket remains the main record. AI change code adds the evidence needed to make safer change decisions.